You're the only power. You're the only power that can. You're the only power. You're the only power.
Hey you guys, it's Shocky Beauty and I'm coming with you with a DIY on how to make this lovely choker here. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see me do a DIY on a diamond bra. Please comment down below if you're interested. Enjoy the video. These are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a diamond ribbon. You're going to need a lobster clamp. And you're going to need 2 jump rings, 1 medium and 1 large. And also you're going to need 2 ribbon crimps and scissors and a tool that can help you pinch on the ribbon crimps to the diamond band. So first things first, you're going to measure your neck. Once you finish measuring your neck, you're going to cut that piece to where it fits your neck perfectly. Once you're done cutting your diamond ribbon, you're going to take the ribbon crimps and you're going to use the tool to keep it on hold and pinch it through the diamond ribbon, and you'll do the same steps on both sides. Sorry guys, I'm not sure what this tool is called, but I'll be sure to leave I'll be leaving it in the description box below. And once you're done with that part, you're going to take your jump ring, the medium one, and place it into the hole of the clamp, the ribbon clamp. Sorry guys. So this is me doing the other side, and once you put the ribbon crimp and pinch it through the diamond ribbon, you will use the larger jump ring to place through the hole. And then you will use your lobster clamp, as it will show soon. Please follow me on all my social media sites. This is my Instagram and also my Snapchat. Bye.